Did you see that? A giant prize basket! I have to win it!
Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. I just want to hug it.
And now, for our first two contestants! The name's Milo, and trust me, nobody's funnier than me.
Hi everyone, I'm Bunty. I'll try my very best.
Milo the monkey, सबसे naughty, सबसे best.
And this is Brother Bunty, sweet but clumsy.
I try, man.
Rocky, the line winner! Confirmed. That's all I wanted to say.
And the winner of the Jungle Talent Show will take home this magnificent prize. Basket! Milo! Watch where you're going! And then I'll say this, and then that, and then the punchline! Oh wait, I forgot the punchline! You wanted a show? Milo is here! Watch this, everyone!
If you can't be graceful, be joyful. I've been practicing this for 3 whole weeks.